Hey guys, it's McKenna. Welcome back to the first dog report of 2018. I hope you guys had an awesome winter break, and let's get on with these 3 news stories I have for you to start off the year. On New Year's Day, 90% of the U.S. stayed below 32 degrees Fahrenheit and no warmer. Now, more than 100 million people from Canada to Mexico are under wind chill warnings, said CNN meteorologist Monica Garrett. It's reported that the rest of the week should bring very dangerously cold temperatures and wind chills throughout central and eastern United States. A rock slide occurred in Anacortes, causing Rosario Road at SR20 and Cougar Gap to close. Chief Mike Noyes of the Mount Airy Fire Department stated that people going to NASWI should use SR20 from Anacortes or Rosario to Campbell Lake Road. The speed limit down there is 35, and for more information on the road closure, be sure to view the Skagit Valley DEM page. 12-year-old Simon Gomez has wanted to be a jeweler ever since he found his mother's bead box and became fascinated with the idea of making jewelry. Simon's been making jewelry since he was 6, and he has started his own business called Simon Made, and his jewelry can be found at Skagit Valley Co-op and also local farmers markets and art shows. Simon is self-taught in making all his jewelry and spends most of his time doing so. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this first video back to 2018. Have a great year, and I'll see you in the next one.